Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying that your phone supports Esim and that your carrier issues Esim profiles. Once confirmed, backup settings and record the physical SIM's ICSID or device IMEI so you can match profiles. Next, connect to stable Wi-Fi and open the carrier app or settings where Esim activation is offered. Follow on-screen prompts to choose transfer or activate new Esim. This starts the secure provisioning handshake between carrier and your device, so stay connected. Now you'll install the Esim profile. Scan the carrier QR, paste the activation code, or use the carrier app to push the profile to your device. When prompted, label the line and choose whether the Esim will be your default for voice, SMS, and data. This matters for dual SIM routing. Allow the profile to download and complete provisioning. Once the device shows an active carrier, make a test call and data session to confirm connectivity before removing the physical SIM. Finish by confirming the Esim is fully active. Run a call, SMS, and data check. Once those succeed, power down and remove the physical SIM if you plan to retire it. If activation fails, retry scanning the QR or re-entering the activation code, and make sure airplane mode toggling and a reboot don't help first. If problems persist, contact your carrier support with the device IMEI and ICSID plus any error message. They can reissue a profile or clear provisioning issues on their back end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.